In this video by testinsights.io, we're going to take a look at how you can record Selenium tests using the advanced Selenium recorder by testinsights.io. So my name is James Walker. I'm the founder of testinsights.io. We're a company introducing machine learning and visualization into the testing landscape to drive efficiency and effectiveness in testing. Now, what we're going to be looking at today is a recorder for the Selenium testing framework. So Selenium is basically a framework for automating browser activity. So think about automating clicks or data entry into your favorite website in Chrome, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. And we can use this same functionality inside Selenium to create automated test cases. So we're taking the execution of a manual test into the automated realm. Now, Selenium requires coding knowledge and can take time to configure tests. testinsights.io recorder captures web elements and records actions on web applications to generate test cases extremely easily. Once we've captured the test cases using our recorder, we upload them into testinsights.io, where you can inspect screenshots and visual descriptions of each test step that's been recorded. After we've taken a look, we can then export these Selenium tests into your environment ready for execution. So inside this demo, we're going to firstly record some system activity. We can head over to the BBC website and record some interaction on there. We're then going to upload the tests into testinsights.io. We're going to inspect these, take a look at some visualizations, and then finally we're going to export these tests back into Selenium where we can execute them. Okay, so what we have open here is the BBC website, and we're going to perform some activity which we're going to record. Now, sitting inside the Chrome browser here, we have the testinsights.io Explorer extension. So what we're going to do is we're going to select a workspace and a project and a version to tag this recording against. So we'll go in here, click submit, and we're presented with the page where we can start recording. So we're going to hit start, and you'll see down here we have an open URL action registered, which is set to the website that we're on. So now we're going to do some browsing across the website and perform a test which basically just goes through, clicks on a news article, and then performs a very simple search. And we'll click search. So that's our test, very short. And what we'll do is we'll go back into the extension here, we'll click stop, and we're just going to go into the review section. Now, what you'll see here is that the Test Insights Explorer has picked up the activity we performed on the website. So you'll see here we opened URL, we clicked some links, and then we searched inside the search box. And we have fairly comprehensive descriptors associated with that. And if we open one of these up, what you'll see is the actual activity and elements that were interacted with. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back, and we're going to upload this session into Test Insights repository. So we're going to give this session a name, which we'll call View Article and Search, and we'll hit upload, and then we'll head over to the testinsights.io website to view it. Okay, so now we've logged into the testinsights.io dashboard. So we're going to head over to the test sessions page, and this shows us all of the tests which we've recorded using the Explorer extension. So here we can see the BBC article and search test which we recorded. So we're going to go in and click to view this test. Now on the left hand side, what you'll see here is all of the steps which were recorded during the session. So firstly we open the URL, then we click the various links, and then we perform the search in the end. Now if we click on these, what you'll see on the right hand side is all of the associated data which we've recorded with that test step. And also importantly to us is each of the code snippets in Selenium which corresponded to that action. Now what we can do is we can click the export button here. Now what this does is it creates an associated Selenium script for this test case. So you'll see here this is using the Java variant of Selenium, and it's imported all the headers for us, created the main body of the script, which is represented through the activity we recorded, and finally added a footer on the end to close all the activity. So if we click export here, what will happen is it will download our script. We can go away and we can execute this inside Java. Okay, so in this demo we showed the advanced Selenium recorder in testinsights.io. So firstly we recorded some system activity on the BBC website. We then imported this activity into the Test Insights dashboard and we inspected the test which we recorded. And then finally we exported this test into the Selenium Java variant for execution in our test environment. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this demo. Feel free to give us an email or visit our website where you can get a free trial.